Force PVC patch. Very nice. I got white and black schmaga, whatever you want to call it. Okay, packing material. I got Elite Force .20 2,700 BBs, which I'm kind of happy. I got a Fox airsoft patch. I got, actually I've seen these in videos, the dummy knife. I really do want to kill somebody with a rubber knife. I'm sure you've seen them before. And front grip. Oh, that's nice. $20 for that. It looks like I got a little bullseye sticker as well. And I got a gas-powered airsoft handgun, which is quite cool. I do have a sidearm, but this one actually is a little nicer than the one I have. That's that.